Guys, you already know the routine, the drill. This is still Friday, but we're going to be posting this ride on Sunday for Sunday's ride. You only get one ride today because it's really windy out tonight. Call me crazy for riding, but you already know the drill. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new, hit the bell notification button, make sure you have all selected so you don't miss the upload. The GoPro is about to die, and let's go. If you're a beginner rider, I'd highly recommend you just staying on a windy day like today, especially if you got a light bike like me, a C400 or R3 or something. Makes it a little harder to control in the what you call it, winds. Sorry if you're getting a keep a shirt in the freaking cam, but holy cow, some brisk or dust just flew in my eye and it did not feel great. Yeah, so low night riding for Sunday's video. How's that? I'm sorry, I think we're going to skip out on Monday and as we get around the rain tomorrow, but it's going to rain tomorrow and it's going to rain Sunday and it's really windy tonight. So I decided to go out tonight in the wind just for a little bit because it's so nice out. It's like 70 degrees right now, so I had to. Call me crazy, but I had to. And then, so we got Saturday's video recorded and Sunday's recorded, and then Monday you might have to skip out on. And depending on how the weather is, anything can change, you know. And then next week I don't know what the weather's like. Like I said, it can change. It's cold or hot. It's still March. But yeah, whenever it's nice out, guys, and whenever it's like, I don't care if it's like 50 degrees and it feels like 45, call me crazy, I'll still go out. But as long as there's nothing below that, then yeah, I'll try my hardest to get the video uploaded. But once the summer hits, guys, I'm going full beast mode. Like straight grinding, like we're gonna be doing a lot of stuff, guys. We're gonna be working harder than we did last summer, and we worked pretty hard last summer. I don't know where to go. Should we go left or right? I'm going right, call me crazy. I'm hitting the main roads, call me crazy. Hopefully the GoPro has a good amount of battery in it still. It's getting low, I already know. But hopefully it don't cut off this video. At least 10 more minutes to record it, and we'll be chilling. Let's hear, what time is this? 11? I had to, guys. I had to make a video for Saturday and Sunday. I just couldn't skip out on those days. I mean, earlier it was like more windy than it is now, but it's still pretty windy right now. It's 29 mile per hour wind gusts and 20 mile per hour winds. So it's still windy, but earlier it was like 25 mile per hour winds and like 35 mile per hour gusts. So going out later was, you know, still better than going out earlier, in a way. Like I said, I would not recommend any beginner riders doing this, but still. I'm on a Z400 and you want to race me, bro? You go ahead. I feel like it's a top up here. Go ahead. All I know is I'm not going to be able to stop. That's for sure. Because I am going to be able to stop. You want to race too, bro? Oh, we got another bike. He's on a Harley, so he's on a way heavier bike. Yeah, that's right. Just because I got a Z400, I'll still smoke y'all. It's the rider, not the bike. I'm sorry. I'm a pro rider. I've been riding almost all my life. And I'm 31 years old right now, so. And I've been riding street bikes ever since I was 18. And then I've been doing motocross ever since I was like 8. So it's in my blood. Out. Okay. Let's just pull over real quick. Let's pull over. I want to take a little thumbie. A little thumbie, maybe. Get off the bike and take a little thumbie. Why not? Let's see here. And what's the GoPro on? Is she getting low? And it says what? 9 minutes? 6 minutes? What are we going on? We're definitely not going to be able to record another one. 7 minutes. Alright, thank you. Alright, let's just stop real quick and take a little thumbie. Shall we, guys? I really need like somebody that'd be willing to like vlog with me, you know? So I could like get some good shots in, some good angles. Like when I'm riding when we're riding too, you know? Not just like me stopping, but like when we're riding. If anybody's down to do that with me, let me know in the comments, or my social media platforms are somewhere in the description below. You can see them in there, and then you can just go to whatever social media platform is and type it in, find me on there. That would be real nice. If anybody's down to do that and you're from Chicago, let me know. Alright, let's go. And it's windy out today. I was still in a prediction of should I go out or not. But I was like, part of me was like, you know, it's not that bad compared to earlier. It died down a little. It's still pretty bad if you're a beginner, but I'm just saying, in general, I guess it's still a little windy. Or actually really windy, but still. Not compared to earlier. Earlier it was like 35 miles per hour gusts. So I was like, nope, not doing it. Could I? Yes, I could, but I'm not gonna. And then the night came and it died down a little, you know. I looked outside, the trees didn't look like it was moving that much, so I checked the wind on the phone. It was still like 70 degrees, feel like it was 65, and you know, I was like, I cannot miss out on a video Saturday and Sunday, and on top of that, Monday. So if at least I get Saturday, Sunday recorded, then if we miss Monday, that'll be okay. I hope so. Is it alright with you guys if we miss Monday? Because it's going to be raining Saturday, and then snowing Sunday, and Monday, raining. At any point in time of the day tomorrow, then I might go out and try to get Mondays finished, but I can't promise. Come on, cannot promise. Don't want to startle the dogs. No, Cowie, we don't want to startle the dogs. I told you, you gotta be respectful around the animals. Got different moods than us. No, I told you, bro. Gotta be respectful for the animals. I know you don't want to. You have to. Alright. Let's see here. What are we going at? Because I feel like the GoPro's about to die, and I really don't want the GoPro to die. So I'd rather end the video instead of the GoPro dying. We're going on 9 minutes or 10. Perfect, 10 minutes. Look at that. All right, guys, I'm gonna cut it here. I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna, you know, do whatever I do at night time. I don't know, maybe upload some TikToks or some YouTube shorts for you guys. But I'll see you guys maybe tomorrow. I'll go out for though if it don't rain, if I like catch a break, you know, and get a quick little video in, then we'll do that. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new, hit the bell notification button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.